Hello children. In this video we are going to see some lines which will be used to write alphabets, and we are going to use that lines for simple drawings. So see these lines: standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curved line. Here A, alphabet A is used with 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. Now we are going to use 2 slanting lines to draw a cutted apple. So you all know apple is good for health, isn't it? So now we use 2 curves on both the sides. And then upside also you should use 1 curve. Now this is the cutted apple. Now draw under the apple. That's all completed. How is this? And then now let's see second letter B. Standing line and then 2 curved lines. This is alphabet B. So first we'll use 2 standing lines to draw a butterfly. Here 2 slanting lines crossed together. And then some curves are used. And then another butterfly. Here we can use letter B to draw wings of this butterfly. That's all completed. So remaining alphabets we can see in our upcoming videos. Thank you.